Good morning, students. Welcome to the next session of your computer classes. Today's topic, as we were doing chapter number 6, working with multiple sprites. We had covered some topics, and now we are going to start with today's topic, that is working with multiple sprites. As you can see on the screen, they have they have embedded, or they have taken 3 sprites on the screen. So there are more than one sprite, hence we are working with multiple sprites. You can add more than one sprite on the stage. To make a project using multiple sprites, you have to create separate script for each sprite. This is important, beta. When we are working with multiple sprites, we have to create separate scripts for each sprite. That means we have to do scripting for each and every sprite separately. Let us see this example with the help of an example. Let us see this with the help of an example. See the steps below. What are the steps? Open Scratch. Add any 3 sprites of your choice on the stage. You can also paint a sprite using the paint editor. That means you can use your own sprite which you have painted or which you have drawn, rather just using the sprites which are pre-available. That means you can also paint the sprite and you can also use them. In the project, we have taken the default cat sprite, added butterfly 1A sprite from the animal folder, and Anna 1 from the people folder. Drag place the sprite at the appropriate position on the stage. Click on the sprite from the sprite list to create their scripts. Every time you select a particular sprite, a separate script area appears. We have created the script for all the 3 sprites. As you can see, they have separately scripted for each and every sprite. This is the script for the cat, this is the script for the butterfly, and this is the script for the girl. They have used the scripts, some loops also. I would request kindly perform these 3 scripts on your system. And when you will click, the running of the scripts something like will be this, where the cat will be rotating by saying that I can draw a circle. Girl will be saying well done and you are pretty, and the snail or the butterfly will be hiding and showing. Now click on the 3 script by selecting each sprite respectively. The sprite performs all together on the stage as their script. Let's open the Scratch. We can add multiple sprites here. Like right now I have a cat, and if I want to add certain sprites, from the animal folder I am using a bear, and from, let's say, people folder I take every, or let's say better. So as you can see, I have inserted multiple sprites on the stage. Can you see? I have coded this for better and it's moving 10 steps. Similarly, if I have to script for cat, so double click on that and let's say I brought this and this. Now what happened? Let's see. Look, the cat is rotating, rotating and rotating, rotating. And for let's say beer, double click on it. So what I'm doing, I'm scripting individually for each sprite. Okay, bring it here, control, and let's say repeat for 10 times. Now let's see what happens. So as you see, I have separately scripted for each three sprites and they are performing as per their codes or the script. Changing the location of a sprite. The location of the sprite is mentioned by the x and the y coordinate. As you can see, right now it's showing the position of bear. If you want to have the position of sprite cat, let's say, so whenever I'm moving the sprite, you can see the coordinates of x and y here, they are changing. Okay, so let's take it to 0 0. And which is that position? This is the position which is the mid of the script area. Okay, this is the middle part of the script area, 0 0 coordinates. And if from here, if I'm taking the sprite to some other location, as you can see, the values have been changed. This locates the sprite on the stage. Every point on the stage has two coordinates, x and y, as I have shown. The x coordinate denotes the x-axis, that is the horizontal, and the y coordinate denotes the y-axis, that is vertical. A sprite can change and move to a specific location using the coordinates of the stage. As shown in figure, the x coordinates ranges from minus 240 to 240, and the y coordinate ranges from minus 180 to plus 180. The center point I had shown you just in the video. The center point of the stage has x 0 and y as 0. To find the coordinates of any particular point on the stage, you can move the mouse pointer on it. You can either change the current value of the coordinates or set sprite to a particular value. Let us create a scratch product by changing the x and y coordinates of a sprite.